Indian Spinal Injury Center evolved into the multi-specialty hospital, making 30-year experience in integrated healthcare. Now open a new era and new logo, define and multiple hospital all involve of the all disease and specialist cancer spinal injury. दिल्लीचे बलवान पार्क बनतील आम्ही तो फोटो बनवायचा.
Let the sound of your claps keep coming.
Yes, ma'am, yes. Great.
This is indeed a very special moment in the history of ISIC, and we are so fortunate to have you all here to share this with you. Thank you, Chairperson ma'am, CSO ma'am, and CEO sir.
Our journey is guided by a deep sense of purpose. We believe that healthcare is not merely about curing illnesses, but it is about restoring hope, preserving dignity, and uplifting lives. Every interaction, every diagnosis, every procedure is an opportunity to make a significant and a meaningful difference. To realize this vision, we continue to invest in clinical excellence, innovation, and patient-centric care. Our centers of excellence, spine, orthopedics, cardiac sciences, neurosciences, renal sciences, and gastrosciences stand as pillars of our commitment. These departments are not just specialities, they are sanctuaries of healing, led by distinguished experts and supported by world-class infrastructure. Together, we are building a future where ISIC is not only a hospital, but a beacon of hope, a place where healing is not just a process, but a promise. And that a name stands for trust, transformation, and triumph. Thank you for being a part of this journey, then and now, and moving forward.
Digital space as well, because that becomes very important if you're talking about tier 3 cities and the villages as well. And spinal injury is something that is not very educative and people don't know a lot about it. So how will you work on that basis in terms of screenings and your inclusivity across the nation?
So I'll start with answering your question and then Doc can take that further. Recently, through our experience, we've learned that spinal injuries, not just from surgery, but like Doc said, it's a complete journey, right? And it's an ongoing journey because it hits your emotional well-being, your physical well-being, and not just the patients, but also the families. So recently we have built a platform wherein we are going to encourage our patients to form peer groups, support groups, also educate them on bladder, bowel management, pressure sores, on sexual management. So we are creating an inclusive platform as far as digitization is concerned. Also, whenever we celebrate SCI Day as an organization, we always try to take out schemes around the theme that year. For example, inclusivity was a theme 2 years back. So I had announced in the press that ISIC is opening its doors for any wheelchair patient or any spinal cord injured patient to apply to our facility for a job. And this year, the theme was falls prevention. So as a CSR activities, we were waiting for this event to happen.
Hospital. It has reserved 30 beds for the poorest of poor patients who receive every treatment for as long as they need it, free of cost. Set in the midst of beautifully landscaped gardens, the Indian Spinal Injury Center is the fulfillment of a long-cherished dream. Designed with care and empathy by a patient of healing through hope and joy. A place where recreation and fun are as much a part of daily life as physiotherapy and exercise. Where corridors are filled with light and sounds of cheer. A place that is totally barrier-free and wheelchair-friendly. Where patients can wander through fruit orchards and every room looks out onto gardens. Where the mind
से हमारा मेन फोकस रहेगा हमेशा।
देश की बेहतरीन सेवा, सबसे अच्छी सेवा यहाँ पर मिलेगी।
वी ऑलरेडी नो कि ISIC हॉस्पिटल इतना अच्छा अपने पेशेंट को ट्रीटमेंट ऑलरेडी दे रहा है। तो अब जब आप मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल में इसको कन्वर्ट करने जा रहे हैं, तो अब आगे आप अपने पेशेंट को और बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट कैसे देंगे?
जैसे जैसे फैसिलिटीज बढ़ेगी हमारी कोशिश यही है और यही रहेगा। और ऑर्थोपेडिक्स से हमारा मेन फोकस रहेगा हमेशा।
देश की बेहतरीन सेवा, सबसे अच्छी सेवा यहाँ पर मिलेगी।
वी ऑलरेडी नो कि ISIC हॉस्पिटल इतना अच्छा अपने पेशेंट को ट्रीटमेंट ऑलरेडी दे रहा है। तो अब जब आप मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल में इसको कन्वर्ट करने जा रहे हैं, तो अब आगे आप अपने पेशेंट को और बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट कैसे देंगे?
जैसे जैसे फैसिलिटीज बढ़ेगी हमारी कोशिश यही है और यही रहेगा की वजह से ही है। और हमारी एक परम ड्यूटी है कि हम उसका अच्छे से ध्यान रखें। सिर्फ ये नहीं कि उसको जैसे पहले बताया था सर्जरी करी और भेज दिया उसको घर में, नहीं, उसको हम पूरी तरह अच्छे से रिहेबिलिट करते हैं। और हमारा सबसे अहम हिस्सा है हमारी स्पाइन के पेशेंट्स का कि उसको मेंटली, फिजिकली और उसको इमोशनली हम उसको रिहेबिलिट करते हैं। सिर्फ उसको अकेला नहीं, उसकी फैमिली को भी, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़रूरी है उसके लिए फैमिली का सपोर्ट। और हम उनके लिए कोशिश करते हैं फैमिलीज कैसे देखें। जब भी हमारे प्रोग्राम में जिसको हम उमंग